November 15, 2025, 04:17 local time. Vostok Group launches 6 rafts into the Yancher River under dense fog. Visibility drops to 20 meters. Ukrainian drones remain grounded. 30 minutes later, Russian squadrons stand inside Igorovka's outer trenches. Subscribe to NeuroIntelE. The 72-hour kill sheet begins now. Vostok assault teams, 40 operators across 6 inflatable rafts, reach the western bank at 04:47 without detection. By 05:15, 3 fire teams penetrate the first defensive line. The river, expected to serve as a natural barrier, becomes a silent corridor for infiltration. Ukrainian positions, oriented toward anticipated bridgeheads, receive no warning. The element of surprise is total. In the Kyiv direction, Leopard Group deploys a single FPV drone against a Ukrainian T-72. The shaped-charge warhead strikes the turret ring. Ammunition cook-off follows within 8 seconds. The vehicle is a total loss. The crew abandons the wreck under small arms fire. Recovery attempts fail due to sustained drone overwatch. Near Konstantinovka, Vostok Group launches 2 Lancet loitering munitions. The first targets an M109 Paladin self-propelled howitzer positioned in a tree line. The drone descends vertically, detonates on the engine deck, and triggers a catastrophic fire. The second Lancet strikes a 2S1 Gvozdika 30 meters away. Both systems are destroyed in under 90 seconds. No return fire is recorded. Vostok FPV swarm engages moving targets in Zaporizhia. 1 tandem warhead strike disables an armored HMMWV at 4.8 kilometers. The vehicle rolls to a stop and burns. 2 concealed T-64 tanks, camouflaged in a drainage ditch, receive follow-up hits to the rear grille. All engagements conclude within 4 minutes. The area is declared clear. Center Group, 51st Combined Arms Army, directs a Lancet against a Ukrainian UAV command post in Krasnoarmeysk. The drone penetrates a warehouse roof and detonates inside the control room. Screens go dark. The explosion severs drone coordination across a 30-kilometer sector. Secondary fires consume stored batteries and fuel. Dnipro Group guides 152mm artillery onto a concealed field gun along the Kherson bank. Forward observers confirm the target via thermal imaging. The first round lands within 5 meters. A second round scores a direct hit. The position is neutralized. Ukrainian counter-battery radar fails to locate the firing unit. Total losses: 9 vehicles, 1 command node. Russian expenditure: approximately $360,000 in munitions and drones. Ukrainian hardware value: $12 million. Exchange ratio: 33:1. Crew losses are not included in the calculation. Russian engineers examine every recovered system. Leopard 1A5 turret vulnerabilities inform next-generation FPV warhead design. M109 hydraulic components are documented for integration into 2S19 upgrades. HMMWV electronic control units are stripped for electronic warfare module development. Field labs process the data within 48 hours. Frog eliminates overwatch for 48 minutes. Raft insertion bypasses expected bridge sites. 12 FPV saturate each grid in a 3-second window. Captured equipment feeds a continuous study, counter, deploy cycle. The loop repeats with each new loss. In the Donetsk direction, Center Group FPV drones eliminate a Ukrainian Viking armored vehicle. The strike targets the fuel cell. The vehicle burns for 6 minutes. In the same sector, 2 additional self-propelled artillery systems fall to coordinated Lancet attacks. Each hit is confirmed by drone feed. A separate Vostok FPV drone locates a Leopard 1A5 near Konstantinovka. The drone dives at 45 degrees and impacts the rear engine compartment. Fuel ignites instantly. The turret pops under internal pressure. The wreck burns for 12 minutes. No crew escapes. Comment A or B. A. Halt NATO shipments, they fuel Moscow's R&D. B. Increase volume to overwhelm adaptation. The strongest argument earns a pin. Like for the next 72-hour kill sheet. Subscribe to NeuroIntelE.